Hey up everyone. So a quick review video, kindly been sent T28 Artemis torch by Brinyte. Zoomable, tricolour. Now I reviewed one of these a couple of years ago, you can see it on the screen up here. So there's a full review video already on my channel. So rather than run through all specs, I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. You'll be able to check that out, you'll be able to go back to this, you'll be able to see what I've been up to. It comes lovely, nice and packaged. So some great features, you know, you've got white, red and red beams, fully adjustable. Get instruction pamphlet in here, charging cable. So you get some nice features and you get a couple of extra seals. We're going to end the torch here, obviously they degrade over time. As you can see, it's fully mountable on your rifle. You've got a figure 8 clamp, it goes on there. You've also got, you call a rat tail adjustment. You've got some Velcro. Like I said, I've used these torches for the last couple of years now, so I'm all set up. I've got Velcro set up onto the side of the rifle. Green, white and red beams, it's adjustable. You can adjust your beam from flood to spark. Great piece of kit, I've had it a couple of years, my original one. It's never let me down. I use it quite regular for all different types of shooting, even if it's just using it as a torch, using it as a spotter. Like I said, I've got a full video here, so I'll put that link in the description. What I want to show you is just more along the lines of having a few shots, showing you length of beam, distance it can go and that kind of thing, which is what I probably didn't include in my first video. So without further ado, we'll get to that and we'll get some footage together using torch, using rifle and doing a little bit of shooting. straps, as you can see. It's quite easy to put on and off. You've got your rat tail, and your rat tail, you've got on and off. You've got minus so you can dim beam, and you've got plus so you can get that extra brightness that you need. So if we take that off, a little bit of a closer look at torch. So you've got green, white, red. You can adjust your beam in and out like that. Like I say, you've got your rat tail, it shows you on and off, your plus and your minus, so you've got an adjustable beam as well, and that'll take it to flood to spot. It's made up aircraft grade aluminium body, really good quality, like a plastic lens, which is good because it don't scratch that easy. It's really durable and versatile. Fantastic piece of kit. If you want a more in-depth review, check this video out. Got some additional footage in there, look. You can see me controlling feral pigeons. Yeah, would I recommend these? Yeah, very highly. This is my second one now. I took opportunity to get another one. Always good to have a backup. Fantastic quality, never let me down. Great piece of kit. I'll put a link in video where you can purchase these. They're not very cheap, but you buy quality, it lasts a long time. I've had my older version 2 years now. I've got this one. I expect them to last a lifetime, if I'm honest. You get decent warranty with Brinyte. All comes in your instructional packet. So yeah, check it out, get a look, and if you're looking for a decent hunting torch, then this is one that you want.